Hello, I'm Natalie, and today I'll be going over how to sew stretchy and today I'll be going over how to sew stretchy fabric. This is a lycra knit fabric, and you can see just how much that stretches. So the first thing I'm going to do is just show you what it looks like when you sew with a straight stitch. So I took it off, and here's the straight stitch, and you can see it doesn't do very well with stretchy fabric. The stitches will break and it's just not really secure. So this is the stitch we use for stretchy fabrics. This is my favorite. This one people typically use, so we're just going to use the one that I like because I think it works just a little bit better. So here I am loading that up for the zigzag stitch. Alright, here we have the zigzag stitch, and you can see just how much that stretches. It's perfect for this. This is me pulling it as hard as I can, and yeah, just comparing it to the straight stitch, you can tell which one is obviously better and more secure for this fabric.